Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make Game Pass in Please Donate Roblox mobile tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So once you are logged in, go over to the lower right side, the three dots, and go over to create here. Okay, so once you are here, so you just have to wait for this. So there. So once you are here, you just have to go over to the three lines here on the upper left, and make sure you go under creations, select that, and you will see here under my experiences. So there, make sure you will go ahead and choose a place and make sure it is public. So on here, you just have to wait for this. Okay, so once you are here, so let's go ahead and go over to the three lines again on the upper left. And then go over under monetization, make sure you select passes. And then once you are here, you can then create a pass here. So once you create one, you will get something like this, which is off sale. So let's create a pass real quick. So in here, you can upload a photo. It is optional, guys. You are not required, but you can also input a name and put a description. So I already done this, guys. So let's go ahead and cancel. You just have to create pass. Okay, so it will be something like this, like what I've said earlier. It will be like this, and all you have to do is select that and make sure to as you can see, it's not yet on sale, it is off sale. So just go ahead and tap the three lines again, and then go over to sales, and make sure it is on item for sale. Make sure it is enabled, and make sure to put on a price. So for example, let's put on 100. So keep in mind, guys, that Roblox will go ahead and tax you 30%. So you will get only 70%, like what I have here. So for example, if someone donate to you, you will only get 70 instead of 100. So just save the changes. Okay, so go ahead and let's go ahead and go over to please donate and get into the game. And all you have to do here is go ahead and go over to a empty unclaimed stand here. Just have to claim it, and as you can see, this is your Game Pass right here. So there, guys, that is how you can basically do this tutorial. That is how you can get Game Pass or make Game Pass and please donate on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for watching and goodbye.